There is a lot of hype around the winter season. There are many gadgets sold, and people have somehow convinced themselves that they have to have all these. But there are some gadgets that are actually worth the hype and can enhance your winter experience even more. In this video, we're going to take a look at some of the best winter gadgets that you could actually buy. Number 1, RotiBox Bluetooth Beanie. This Bluetooth stereo headset continues to bring you high quality sound, style, and coziness. It is compatible with this 100% soft acrylic, double knitted beanie, making it ideal for gym, strength and conditioning workout, exercise, sporting activities like running, skiing, snowboarding, skating, hiking, caravanning, dog walking, holiday travel, and so on. This included rechargeable Li-ion battery allows for more time doing, less waiting around by providing 8 to 10 hours of call time or 10 hours of playback time, as well as 1.5 hours of charging and 60 hours of standby. The USB charging cord is supplied. One size fits most, a requirement for winter outdoor sports, great Christmas gifts for men, women, dads, moms, boyfriends, girlfriends, teen girls, and adolescent boys. You can take the headphones out of the cases and wash their cases themselves. Number 2, ice screen magnet is car windshield. Have you had enough of the agony of scraping ice off your windshield in sub-zero temperatures? Dull scrapers that can't even clear the center of the windshield? Clearing the windows by wading through snowbanks? You need strong magnets to attach your ice screen windshield screen to your car securely. They fit snugly over your windshield, stay in place even in heavy snow, and keep your glass clean of ice and snow. Ice screen cars and truck window covers are tough, long-lasting, and simple to install, so you can spend less time braving the chill. No more straining to scratch your windshield, no more freezing hands and feet. Protect your windshield against frost and ice overnight with the ice screen windshield cover, which attaches to your car's canopy with strong magnets. Just remove the screen first thing in the morning for your spotless windshield. You may throw away the ice scraper and save yourself some time on your daily journey. Number 3, heated gloves. Heated gloves are the way to go for any cold weather adventure, whether you're hitting the slopes, taking a snowy vacation, finally making it to Antarctica, or experiencing sub-zero excitement. The 3-in-1 heated gloves are made by Ororo, a company known for producing high-quality creative winter wear. The lithium-ion battery that powers each glove on a single charge can keep going for up to 8 hours. It takes about 5 minutes for these gloves to warm up and glow red when the preheat feature is activated. The medium setting was optimal since it kept their hands toasty all the way to the tips of their fingers, even after being submerged in the ice for 10 minutes. Patio heater with wheels. Looking for a way to move your patio heater with no effort? This portable patio heater is just what you've been looking for. Its sturdy build guarantees steadiness and adds a cozy, comforting vibe to your yard. Having wheels for convenient portability is an enticing feature of this patio heater. The use of this device is restricted to the great outdoors. This stainless steel patio heater is the perfect addition to any backyard. A wonderful, pleasant atmosphere is created, making your time in the garden during the winter that much more comfortable. The mounting bracket is constructed from premium silver stainless steel that is strong and won't break easily. Heated insoles. If you spend a lot of time outside in the winter, or if your feet get cold easily, or you have poor circulation, heated insoles may be a lifesaver. There is a wide selection of battery heated insoles to choose from. Among the many excellent brands of heated socks that we stock, you'll find names like Thermacell, Thermic, Hotronic, Cloves, Digitsole, and many more. Now, heating technology is used in heated insoles. The EVA stretch material is light, stretchy, and cushioned, making them a great choice. In the winter, it's especially important to keep your feet warm so that blood may flow freely. Highs of 108 Fahrenheit/42 degrees Celsius are possible. Heated insoles are only 5 mm thick, so you don't have to worry about the size. Lines are written out on the insoles, so trimming them to fit your needs is a breeze. The insole's material provides a waterproofing effect. It's washable and reusable, albeit not machine washable, and can be cleaned with a brush but not a washing machine. That's it, guys. We've come to the end of this video. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it right now. See you in the next video.